Welcome to my channel, Train Your Brain with Marzia ma'am. Today I am here to express my views on the importance of English. As you all know that English is an international language and it is currently spoken in worldwide. English is a global language and it is used as a first language by 400 million people around the world. English is an official language of 53 countries. That's why it is important to learn English. Despite the fact that English is a global language, most people are aware of only 35% of the words that comprise the language. For a good command over any language, one should have sound knowledge of grammar, ample vocabulary, along with excellent power of expression and articulation. English has become part of our life. Nowadays, whatever we buy from market, we got English on everything. In metro cities and other countries, English language is spoken everywhere. It is also the language of the internet. Almost all websites are in English. So for living better life, one should learn English. According to me, English is undoubtedly the best language. Learning English will give us a lot of opportunities, which may be for work or for travel purpose. If we have a good command over English, we can get higher education, good job, promotion, etc. If we want to survive our life in English speaking country, we should have good command in English. This is the language by which we can impress anyone very easily. Now this is all what I want to say about the importance of English. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.